Hey, this is me, Camille, and welcome to the Rocky Brand Network. Oh my gosh, today I'm going to be talking about your branding design process made easy. Oh my gosh, does it make you want to pull out your hair when you think about branding design and craziness? And I'm not a designer. Okay, so listen in. Come on in and get a pen because I'm going to explain to you easy ways how you can knock your branding design process easy, easy, easy. So come on in. Let's get started. Okay. So first of all, the thing you need to think about, the most important thing is your limiting beliefs. Okay. And don't start whining and say that has nothing to do with design because it does. Because unless you align your limiting to beliefs and believe that you are that personal brand and that you are that person in the marketplace, and you are that person in the marketplace, we're going to start over. Hey, it's me, Camille. Welcome to the Rock Your Brand Network, and I've got some simple strategies for you today. Branding design process made easy. Make it easy peasy because don't you feel like you're pulling out your hair sometimes when you think about branding design? I'm not a designer and it's techie, and oh my gosh, that's what I used to think of also. All right. So I am a coach. I help people, women with passion, turn it into profit by developing a Rockstar brand. And I have these strategies that's going to help you in your branding design, okay? Because you have the perfect product out there. The problem is not enough people know who you are. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. Grab a pen and invite a friend. All right. So the first thing that you need to think about in your branding design is your limiting beliefs. Now, you're saying, like, Camille, that doesn't have anything to do with logos and colors and branding and design. Yes, it does. Okay. So zip your lip and come on in. All right. Because limiting beliefs, you have to have a strong belief system in yourself that you are the one. You are the one. Because right now, I want you to think there is somebody on their knees looking for you. So you need to step up your branding design process so that more people can find you, so that person can find you. Okay. All right. So I want you to think of your limiting beliefs and work on ways to overcome those. Think about you're that person that somebody is looking for. Okay. All right. So the next thing is your business goals. Okay. So what kind of goals are you thinking about before you start doing all the design work, before you start doing the whole designing process? I wish I would have thought of this before I did it all and then had to redo it. Okay. So think about your business goal. What is your objective? You want people to buy your course. You want people to join your MLM. What is your business goals? Your financial goals. Think about what outcome do you want? When you have that outcome and those goals in mind, guess what? You are going to make your branding design super easy. All right. The next thing is I want you to spice up your personality. Okay. Spice it up. All right. Be relatable. Be your real self. When we spice up our own personality, guess what? It becomes a win-win situation. All right. The right people are going to find you. The right people are going to connect with you. Okay. And so there's no competing with other people in your niche because more people are going to get to, when they get to know who you are and how you sound like and what you're really all about, then guess what? Guess what? You are going to be that kind of person. Okay. You are going to stand out and the right people are going to be attracted to you. Okay. That's why it's so important to think about your branding design as a process. Okay. Got it. All right. All right. So the next thing is color theory. Okay. Color theory. Oh my gosh. Color theory. Yeah. We're not in 8th grade anymore. Yeah. Well, listen, did you know though, having the right colors, the certain colors bring out certain emotions, and you need to go through a process where you look at color psychology to see what colors say about your logo, about your design, about your overall theme, theme in your photos, in your personality, in your everything you do online. All right, it needs to be consistent, the same colors, the same fonts. All right, and so I want you to really understand color theory, like the color orange, one of my favorite colors. Orange stands for loyalty, it stands for friendship, and it's okay. So I want you to go through an outline of color theory briefly so you can pick the right colors from you with you. Okay, so because when you put your perfect brand colors and then get them right with your oh yeah your brand, your personal brand, guess what, your personality and your brand colors all go together, and then icing on the top is your logo. The next thing is step number 5 is your logo. When you design your logo, you want it to be neat and crisp and clear and easy to understand, okay? But you've already worked on the other steps, so it should be easy for you to design your logo. Now, after paying a lot of people a different amounts of money to design my logo, I decided I would go into Canva and make my own. I just looked at what was going on. I looked at my competitors and I went to Canva and I hit logo design and I went through the tutorial training and I created my own logo. Okay. So it is not hard to do. All right. The next thing is you need to consider when you're branding design as a process is your visual elements. Okay. Your visual elements are your fonts and your colors and your design. Okay. So any graphic you make online is visually the same. All right. I use the same fonts and you can do it really easy and the same colors. When I opened up my Canva kit, my branding kit, all right, because it allows me to say the same fonts and the same tones in my colors. And so it's really easy. Anytime I go to Canva and make a graphic, all of my stuff is there. Okay. Now you can't get that, all of those features with the free version. So you should go ahead and pay the $12 a month. It's far worth it for you to have the correct visual elements. All right. There should be absolutely no Googling pictures and throwing them on social. It makes you look bad, honey. I'm just saying. I'm just telling the truth, okay? So by being serious about your personal brand, guess what? The right people are going to find you. You're going to increase your sales, okay? Then the last element you need to consider to round it all up is to create a guide, a branding guide, okay? This branding guide will have every single thing that you need, all your elements, everything in there, and you can have it all set up so everything will be consistent, right? And don't forget that it can change, okay? As you start developing as that person, that expert in your niche, then people are going to start coming to you. And so it can evolve, it can change, okay? But that's not all I have for you. So I hope you enjoyed these tips, but listen, hang on, because I want you to get my free branding guide, and it's all inside my Backstage Branding Pass. Oh yeah. I'm a Rockstar producer. I produce Rockstar brands every gosh darn day. Oh yeah. So I want you to get my free branding guide, and when you click on it and you get inside the Backstage Branding Pass, I have guides. It's full of resources for you to help you rock your business and by rocking your personal brand. So over and out. I hope you enjoyed these tips in starting your branding design process. Made easy. Take care.